Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. How do you import the categories for your post types? You can see this is a website blog, and when we click on the category drop down, we've got categories 1, 2 and 3. So how do we import category names? Let's go to the admin, my content, edit post settings. Let's find the blog post, click edit. And within the first page, you'll see the post categories. So that's them just here. So let's take them out, and we might put in for the blogs news, updates, and other information. Whatever one is going to be your last category, you don't require a comma at the end. So leave the comma off. But as you see with all the other ones, we've placed a comma just in between each one. Let's go back, save, back to the blogs. Let's refresh the page. Select category, we've got news, updates, or other information. So that's how you set categories for the website blog and all other post types. I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.